Turkey. Now let's talk about as far as the situation which is becoming clearer, because at the end of the day, the conflict results in who exactly are India's friends and who are the foes. And terror and talks that cannot go hand in hand. Trade and terror cannot go hand in hand. Blood and water cannot flow together. That was the most clear message that came in from the Prime Minister in those words when he addressed the nation earlier this week. But even as when it comes to as unfortunate as it is, there are some still back home in India who continue to lobby for Pakistan. And the latest to do so is the former Chief Minister of erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir and PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti. Unabashed support for Pakistan continues. Now exactly why it has turned into a situation of Omar Abdullah, the current Chief Minister, versus the former Chief Minister. When Omar Abdullah, he spoke of reviving the Tulbul navigation project that Mehbooba Mufti accused him of towing a dangerous line. Now, Omar Abdullah was of the point of view that Indus Water Treaty has been suspended, and because of that, several water-related projects were also suspended because India was bound by the treaty, but that the treaty is now suspended, it is in abeyance. India can wholeheartedly go ahead when it comes to the water projects so that India can largely benefit from the water that comes from these rivers. But there is an objection that is now being raised by Mehbooba Mufti. She claims that putting the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance is a humanitarian issue. Now, Mehbooba Mufti seems to be reminding the people and Omar Abdullah of insaniyat, despite knowing the fact that homegrown terror and terror from across the border is being fueled by Pakistan. According to her, she says that the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir must instead be a bridge of peace between Pakistan and India, the same country that continues to ignore and even facilitate homegrown terror. This has been as far as when it comes to the double standards that have now exposed Mehbooba Mufti and a certain ecosystem that continues to bat for Pakistan even during these times.
It's a humanitarian issue. तो पानी तो ये तो इंडस वैली की तो एक बहुत बड़ी सिविलाइजेशन रही है. जहां जहां से ये पानी बहा है वहां लोगों की बस्ती आई है. तो आज दिस शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड एज अ वेपन. We should not allow the rivers of Jammu and Kashmir to be weaponized. क्योंकि हमने जंग देख ली, वेपन्स की जंग हमने देख ली ना. अगर पानी को भी वेपनाइज करके आप किसी को पनिश करना चाहते हैं, मैं समझती ये नहीं है. जम्मू कश्मीर should become a bridge of peace between the two countries.
Well, Nyamika, who talks of peace with a rogue state like Pakistan? And what is that Mehbooba Mufti continues to advocate? Why is her heart still beating for Pakistan and not just a certain ecosystem continues to bat for Pakistan? Why does she want Jammu and Kashmir to be set an example of bridge of peace between India and Pakistan? What about those lives that have been lost? What about the Pahalgam massacre? What about many of our Jawans who have been martyred in the line of conflict? Not a thought that has been spared by her on them.
Well, Amita, this is not the very first time when Mehbooba Mufti has given such kind of a statement. As earlier also we have seen certain statements which were being made by Mehbooba Mufti advocating for Pakistan, and this time it is none other than the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Omar Abdullah, who has given a befitting reply to Mehbooba Mufti because a verbal spat had taken place on social media when after the statement being given by the PDP chief, as Omar Abdullah had stated it clearly that she is basically trying to give a message to those who are sitting there across the border. She is just trying to please them, and that is the only reason why she is giving such kind of statement, as this entire issue was being taken up on the part of Mr. Omar Abdullah when he had stated that when the Indus Water Treaty has been suspended by India, then it would be good for Jammu and Kashmir if the Tulbul navigation project can be revived. And at that point of time also a reply was being given by Ms. Mehbooba Mufti, in which she has mentioned that amid all the tensions between India and Pakistan, such kind of a statement being given by the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir is not just irresponsible, but it can be provocative as well. So clearly, she was basically trying to say that it is not right on the part of India to make such kind of statements for the revival of Tulbul navigation project, because if you remember, then this project was started in 1980s, but it was being stopped because of the several objections being raised by Pakistan in 2008 regarding the Indus Water Treaty, and this time also Mr. Omar Abdullah had said that he was earlier also against the Indus Water Treaty because that is basically against the rights of Jammu and Kashmir people, and that is the reason why he had earlier also opposed this water treaty. But now when it has been suspended, then it would be really
Yes.
good for the people of Jammu Kashmir that